Wertz, and I'm a mechanical engineer. I picked engineering because I really couldn't see myself doing anything else. My whole life I've always been the kind of kid to question why does that work, and engineering just kind of fit to where I wanted to be and what I wanted to do. I think it's more of a mental test than anything. I feel that they're always trying to test you. You can never learn every aspect of engineering. I feel when you go into the field, you're going to learn specific things to your job. So what they're trying to teach you now is how to problem solve, and that's a hard thing to learn. So I think it's definitely more of a mental test. And I actually talked to a professor once. He said engineers come in with the highest GPAs in college and leave with the lowest GPAs. So it's definitely, I think, more of a mindset of engineering than actual details of engineering. I've noticed that going on interviews and having employers look at you, they love to see that you can apply what you've learned into hands-on experience. Especially in your first couple years of school, you don't have labs where you can apply what you're learning in class to real-world problems, and that's exactly what we're doing here. It's like you learn it in class and you learn the equation for it, but you never really had a chance to apply it. And here it's like, okay, I see where I can apply this certain equation or where I can apply this mindset to. And I think that's a really major part of engineering, is be able, yes, you can think through it, but you can also do it as well. I love it. I've grown up kind of as a tomboy my whole life, and so coming here it wasn't really too far-fetched, but it's definitely a really humbling experience being around guys most of the time. It was funny, last semester I had a thermodynamics class and I walked in and there was about 65 guys and about 3 girls, and I was like, this ratio is quite small. And I didn't really believe it coming into the oh, engineering, there's really few women. But I think it gives you a power, like you have this power that not a lot of people have. You're a woman, you're looked at differently for it, but I think it's almost a great thing to be a woman, one of the few, because you've learned so much, and then you can say you're on the same levels. And especially in today's times where people are, equality is a big thing, and women's pay and equal, it's just, I think it's a great thing to be able to represent women in a field that's mainly male. Honestly, I just see myself being able to make a difference. So that's the great part of engineering, is you can work on things that touch people's lives every day. And honestly, I have no idea where I'll end up, but I just know that I'll be happy doing something that helps people. I can honestly say this is what I want to do now, what I can see myself doing in the future. And no matter what the future changes, I think you'll always need an engineer. So I think that's it helps you feel good, and what you're doing is your future secure, and you're always going to have a bright future ahead of you. That's what I love about it.